Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add NFC card to Google Wallet. Adding an NFC card to Google Wallet is streamlined, but it's important to note that Google Wallet only supports certain transit cards issued by participating agencies. To start, open the Google Wallet app on your device and tap the Add to Wallet button. Next, select Transport Pass from the options. From here, you can search for your transit agency or the city where your card is issued. For example, typing Detroit will display supported agencies in that area. Once you locate your card or service, select the specific fare option you need, such as a 7-day pass, reduced fare, or full fare. After making your selection, you'll be prompted to sign in and complete the payment through Google Pay. Once added, your NFC transit card is ready for contactless use directly from Google Wallet, making travel more convenient and seamless. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.